The installation of memonizerWATER is very easy. First, attach the supplied Velcro straps to the device. Next, attach the memonizer directly to the water main as close as possible to the water meter. Any insulation in the mounting area must be removed partially or completely before installation. Once the memonizer is attached, fold the upper shielding sleeve over the pipe. The memonizer has now been installed. You can also mount the memonizerWATER below the water meter on the main water pipe to your house. Use the supplied shielding board as insulation and attach it with the enclosed adhesive dots. Please ensure that the silver side is facing outwards. To ensure optimum performance, we recommend using the memonizerWATER only in conjunction with Memonizer Combi.